Good morning. Wyatt Senior here. February 20th, 2023. Well, as you guys will probably find out, we were working in the shop yesterday. We got Autumn's cart done. All but a little painting. I'm gonna touch up the sidebars, the floor pan, and give that a freshen up. And then I'm going to move to my cart. I'm going to start setting in my rear axle. I'm planning on painting my side Nerf bars and getting them freshened up. Getting ready for the car show. Look at how Heidi and Autumn washed up that floor pan. A little bit of paint off, but you know what? We're good. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on that. Start getting that done. Watch some Andy from Farming, Fixing, and Fabricating. Oh, I got a visitor. It's the crew chief himself.
Hi.
Come on in, crew chief.
Hi. Hi.
Just here to get that footage.
I figured you would. Yeah. Time lapse there. I got the everything set up the way I should. Put these on, brake is on, put the motor mount on. Now the axle's ready to get all of its good stuff put on it. So what I'm going to work on right now is put my axle. I got the axle sitting up on top of all these tires, and I'm gonna set her right here in the vise. And sorry about the camera. I'm using a whole different mount, so I'm using my iPhone. I'm gonna start working on breaking this down. You kind of saw Corey do his yesterday, so it's basically the same procedure. Well, it's kind of later in the day here. It's actually dark out now since the last time I talked to you, and Corey's here working on his cart. Well, I got the sides stuff painted here for Autumn's cart, so just giving just a little bit more time to dry up. And Corey's getting his motor mounted, and that's as well as what I'm doing. So I got an axle on the back of this cart now. Works pretty good. And we got the motor slammed on her. I'm going to start getting the throttle linkage and everything buttoned down, and get the tack on it and get that all wired up. And kind of Corey's in the same boat, I guess.
Same situation, yeah.
Yeah. So our goal is to just button these things up, and then we're gonna call it an evening.
Are we running the fuel lines tonight?
I don't know.
Another day.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my linkage on it, and I think I'll slam that stuff all together tomorrow and on mine and
The
fuel line and yeah. I don't even have my motor tight yet, so
Yeah. So it's been a productive day.
yeah,
For both of us.
yeah. So yeah, stuff is painted.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna paint my sidebars. They're looking a bit rough.
Yep.
So.
Yeah, I'm gonna do mine too.
Yep. Make them
So.
look fresh, you know.
Yep.
Several days later.
Well, back in the shop, Wyatt Senior here. I got to finish plumbing my Scythe, and then Corey's got to finish plumbing his Minicon. Today is the 24th February, and we're just gonna kind of keep chugging along here to get ready for the car show. So I'm gonna get the fuel line plumbed, and oh geez, probably mount my tack, get that all plumbed up. I'll come back a little while, I'll show you what I've got done. It's a little bit later than it was when I was here earlier. I got the fuel line run, tack lead is all on, tack is on, all the fuel lines, everything's run. It's basically ready to go. I think I'm going to do is I'm going to change my protection here on here. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I think I'm going to change that around a little bit. So with that, I can say, yeah, honestly, this video is, I'm done for today. I'm going to go up and do some farming, I think. So with that, hit up all of our socials. Like, subscribe, comment. I want to hear from you guys. If you like what I'm doing, or what Corey's been doing. So we'll be back in the shop on Saturday, which is tomorrow, the 25th, I believe. And we're going to get some of these more knocked out. So with that, the old man here, we'll see you later.